This dance is called Hey Rose. It's a 64 count, 4 wall, improve a level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot with some side touches. So we step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right, step left to the side, touch right beside left. Into a slow chassé to the right with a quarter turn on the end. So step right to the side, left beside right, quarter turn right, you step forward on that right, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Side touches up on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, turn, touch. Similar set of steps now with the left foot leading. So you step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, right to the side, touch the left beside the right. Slow chassé to the left with that quarter turn on the end, step the left to the side, right beside left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward, brush the right forward. That section then, side touches off on the left. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Add those two together. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, turn, touch, side, close, turn, brush. Having done your brush, you're going to step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. Make a further half a turn left as you step back on that right, hold. Add on a slow coaster step, stepping left back, right beside left, left forward, hold. That set of steps once more then, step pivot, half turn off on the right. 7, 8, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold. Now you have got the equivalent of a full turn with that step pivot half turn. If you wish to try and take that out, your non-turning steps quite simply would be rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, that takes out the step pivot half, then just step back on the right, that takes out that half turn, hold and add on your coaster step. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that full turn out at that point. Let's add that to the top. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, turn, touch, side, close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold. Go forward on a step, lock, step, right foot leading. Step the right forward, knock the left behind the right, step the right forward, hold. Into a chase half turn. So step forward on the left, pivot half a turn to the right, step forward on the left, hold. That set of steps once more then. Step lock off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. That's our halfway point. Let's take it up to there. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8, side, touch, side, close, turn, touch, side, close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold. So from our halfway point then, we're going to start off with a rocking chair. Right foot leading, rocking forward, recover, rock back, recover. Into a chase half turn. So you step forward on your right, pivot half a turn left, step forward on the right, hold. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold. Into some scissor steps. So we step the left to the side, right beside left, cross left over, hold. Repeat with the right. Right to the side, left beside right, cross right over, hold. Scissor step, hold twice. That set of steps once more then, off on the left. 7, 8, scissor step, hold, scissor step, hold. Let's add that to the previous section, so from our halfway point, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Into a vine to the left. We step left to the side, right behind left, left to the side, cross the right over the left. Add on a mambo cross, rock to the side on the left, recover your weight on the right, cross the left over the right, hold. That set of steps once more, vining to the left, left foot leads. 7, 8, side behind side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. Add that to the halfway point. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold. Side behind side, cross, mambo, cross, hold. The last section then to finish the dance. We're going to do a couple of toe struts, but there are going to be turns associated with these. So you're going to turn yourself a quarter turn to the left as you step that right toe back and lower the heel. Make a half a turn left as you step your left toe forward and lower the heel. So those are your two turning toe struts. And then simply add on a rocking chair, right foot leading to finish the dance. So that set of steps once more then. Toe strut off on the right, then turning to the left, quarter turn, then half a turn. 7, 8, turn, strut, rocking chair. Now it is the equivalent of a 3/4 turn when you're doing those two toe struts. If you need to try and take those out, what you can simply do your quarter turning toe strut on the right, but turn to the right, not the left. So you'll step that right toe forward, lower the heel, then just go forward on a left toe strut, and then add on your rocking chair. So it takes that 3/4 of a turn out. So quarter turn right on the first one as opposed to left, and then just a normal forward toe strut on the second one instead of turning that half. Non-turning steps should you need them. So let's add that to our halfway point. Rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, side behind side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, turn, strut, rocking chair. So that is your two halves. Let's put them together. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close, turn, touch, side close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, toe strut, rocking chair. So that's your dance. It is all single count timing. No and counts whatsoever in this dance. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close, turn, touch, side close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, rock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, turn, strut, rocking chair, side touch, side close, turn, touch, side touch, side close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, pivot, step, hold, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, scissor, step, hold, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, hold, turn, strut, rocking chair. Side touch, side close, turn, touch, side close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, coaster, step, lock, step, pivot, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, step, scissor, step, side, behind, side, cross, mambo, cross, toe strut, turn, strut, rocking chair. So that is your dance. Now there are 2 little restarts in this dance. The first one comes on wall 2 after 32 counts, so halfway through the dance. So you will have just done your step, lock, step, pivot, step, so your chase half turn, and you restart at that point. Wall 2 is our 3 o'clock wall, so just take you up to 32 counts, your restart point, and restart the dance. Side touch up on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close, turn, touch, side close, turn, brush, step, pivot, step, coaster, step, lock, step, pivot, step, restart, side touch, side close, turn, touch. So 32 counts into wall 2, restart the dance, and you'll be facing 9 o'clock. Your second restart comes on wall 4, which will actually be your 12 o'clock wall. This one comes after 24 counts. So before you get to the step, lock, step section. So you will have just done that coaster step, hold, you restart at that point. So your 12 o'clock wall 4, after 24 counts. Let's take you up to that point and restart the dance. Side touches off on the right. 7, 8. Side touch, side close, turn, touch, side close, turn, brush, step, pivot, turn, hold, coaster, step, hold, restart, side touch, side close, turn, touch. So that is your second restart. Wall 4 after 24 counts. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. So wall 2 after 32 counts, start facing 3, you restart facing 9 o'clock. Wall 4 after 24 counts, your 12 o'clock wall, you'll restart also facing 12 o'clock. So all that's left is to give it a go to a bit of music. 5, 6, 7, side touch, side touch, side touch, turn, touch, side touch, side touch, side touch, turn, cross, step, pivot, step, coaster, step, rock, step, 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 rocking chair, step, and step, sister step, side hand, side cross, mambo cross, toe strut, rocking chair. Side touch, side touch, side close, turn touch, side touch, side touch, side close, turn, rock, step, turn, coaster, step, step, lock, step, you restart, wall, restart, side touch, side touch, side touch, turn touch, side touch, side touch, side close, turn, turn, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, in, step, rocking chair, step, in, step, sister step, side behind side touch, number cross, toe strut, rock, turn, side steps. Next restart wall. Step, pivot, turn, cross, step, step, restart, side touch, side touch, step pivot, step lock, rocking chair, scissors, 5, toe struts, side touch, side touch, step pivot, step rock, rocking chair, scissors, 5, toe strut, side touch, side touch, step pivot, step rock, rocking chair, scissors, 5, toes, side touch, pivot, step rock, rocking chair, scissors, 5, toes,
Driving shiny cars, drinking champagne. No worries on our mind. Somehow I'ma find a way to make your daddy proud. Put away some money in a bank account. Show him we're just fine. But until then, I'll hold you tight with the finer things in life. The finer things in life.
hope you managed that one.